YouTube, welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. So, it's Sunday, and it's normally my day off to where I don't do no work in the garage or nothing like that. I go to church with my wife, and we just relax and all that together. But, for some reason, this morning, after breakfast, making my breakfast and everything, I emptied out this bottle of TAPATIO. And like any other individual who thinks a lot, it just for some reason clicked. What if I use this bottle of Tapatio as a replacement just for conversation pieces? Use it as a replacement for this bottle. And 99.9% of you guys who own classics know what this bottle is. That sits inside your, let me see, that sits inside your engine compartment. And I got to thinking, that would be a conversation piece. How cool would that be? So I came out, popped the hood, located the bracket, which is right there on the left side towards the front behind the headlight, the back of the headlight or whatever you want to call it. Anyways, it's on the fender. But of course, because of the size of bottles, this is not going to fit the bracket. And also too, as you can see, it's at least another 1.5 to 2 inches taller, and it's way bulkier. Okay, so yeah, I put it in there. I laid it there just for a visual. It's too big. It takes up a lot of room. It's huge. I'd have to get a small, if I could find one in between the little travel bottle and this bottle, that would be great. But until then, my mind, boop, clicked again. What if I take my heat gun and try to peel the label off of that bottle and glue it onto the other bottle? So now you know where I'm going with today's project. So let me go ahead and spin this little camera around and we'll get to it, see what happens. If it works, it works. If not, oh well, we'll just have to try something new. Okay, let's try to get started. But first, coffee. Let's see if this works, and let's see if we can do it. Oh, hold on. Let me pull this off of here. Label's a little thrashed, but maybe, hopefully, I can do it. Tapatio company, if you're out there and you can send me a label that's not been glued, that would be cool. Just saying. Them babies are on there. I don't know. Okay. Got the glove on the wrong hand, apparently. burning the shit out of my hand. ah, come on, Fernando. All right, here we go. There we have it. It's torn right there at the face, but I think I could pull it off. And it'll give it a little bit of that, I guess you would call patina look, I guess. I don't know. Let me see. Let's try to center this. Smooth it out. Huh? What do you guys think? Yes? No? Maybe? Kind of looks a little, like I said, a little bit of patina there. Makes it look old. There's still plenty of glue on the label that it stuck pretty good. Here, let me see if I can, we'll heat it up and try to smooth it out some more. Okay, that kind of works a little bit. This is the part I was worried about because this is right along the face. I think if I put like a clear glue over top of the whole thing, it'll also help protect it some. Not too bad. Yeah, definitely gonna have to put some glue over top of it. Keep it protected. But hey, what do y'all think, huh? Yes, no, maybe? Let's go see what it looks like on the truck. Oh, hell yeah. I don't care what anybody says. It's my truck. I like it, and it's going to stay. Yep, that'll work. I just got to put maybe some hodgepodge or something over top of the label just to protect it. Maybe some clear nail polish or something. But yeah, I'm liking that. Especially the patina look on it. Goes with, yep. Done deal. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Yeah, that's basically the way my mind works, you know? And I'm sure a lot of you can relate to that. You see something, and then you got to thinking, and then next thing you know it, you've wasted half a day of trying to figure out how to make things work. And that's what we're doing. My Tapatio bottle. And it it matches with the red on my truck. I should put some red food dye in here with some water, you know, give it that Tapatio look. Maybe some very thin flake to make it look like, you know, actual Tapatio sauce. But yeah, I am gonna put, you know, try to fix some of the glue that didn't stick. You know, I like the patina look on it. It makes it look like it's been there for a while. And then just put like I said, a thin coat of something clear on top to preserve it. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? Anyways, thank you everybody for watching. I hope it was entertaining for a little quick weekend video. And I want to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel, who's following me on my restoration, who has commented, given me ideas and all that good stuff. Appreciate all the likes and everything. So if you're not following, please subscribe. I've been asked a couple times, what am I going to do once I'm done with my truck? Well, like I say in my channel description, in the Old Farts Garage, we tinker. We do stuff that has nothing to do with my restoration, you know, because growing up, we did everything ourselves. You know, we tried to fix things first, and then we, if it didn't work, then you end up buying it. But normally you would try to fix things first, make things last, because they were built to last back then. Now it's just a throwaway world, but that's neither nor. Just like if you watched my last little short and my other video, I built that vise stand for my bench vise out of a used rim, throwaway pipe, and a couple of pieces of 1/8 inch metal. So anyways, go ahead and end it here. I'm starting to ramble. So anyways, again, thank you everybody for following me, for watching my stuff and everything else that goes on the YouTube. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good weekend, and God bless.